name is Sean. I had the all-on-4 procedure done by Dr. Johnson here in this office back in August of 21. I'd had a fear of the dentist since I could remember and probably hadn't been to a dentist in 20 years. So when I was little, I remember we were little growing up, we didn't have a lot of money. So we'd gone to the dentist and they said that I was going to need braces. So they probably pulled 4 or 5 teeth and then we put braces on. And then my mother had relocated us to another part of the country, and we didn't have dental insurance or those kind of things. So we never went back. And I ended up taking those braces off myself. I remember being probably about 13 maybe. And at that point in time, I was done with it. I don't think I ever went back.
I remember him when he first came in. His wife, it almost seemed like she was literally dragging him. He was scared to death. And he didn't have any qualms about telling you either. He's like, I'm scared to death and I wouldn't be here if it weren't for her. I would just remember trying to reassure him, hey man, it's gonna be fine. When he came in for his surgery, he said, I'm trusting you, doc.
You know, we had to do some bone grafts and stuff. So it wasn't like I came in, had a conversation, and the next day we came back, pulled all the teeth and went to work. We had to do some pre-things to get the bones built up and be ready to hold the all-on-4 procedure. And
when he left out, it was the most beautiful transformation. This guy now, he walks in here full of life. It's like he can't wait to get to the dentist's office.
I think the hardest thing through all of this is learning how to smile again, because you just didn't smile, right? You smiled, but it was always, like I look back at pictures of me and all my kids growing up, and it's always closed mouth smile, never that. And now I'm like, man, let's take a picture. Like, I'm ready.